Class 3 Social Science worksheets on Work Around Us with answers. Here, kids need to choose the correct answer for each question from the given options. First question is, Little Sarah loves Miss Susan because she tells great stories, teaches her how to write the alphabets, and helps her fight bullies in school. Miss Susan is a answer is kindergarten teacher. Question number 2. John's uncle works for a leading cab driver. A cab is another name for a answer is taxi. Question number 3. Which two vehicles are allowed to break traffic rules in case of an emergency? Answer is ambulances and fire trucks. Question number 4. Gunjan's pet owl Kito fell off its perch and its foot was injured. Kito is finding it difficult to walk and sit. Which of the following people is best suited to treat Kito? Answer is a veterinary doctor. In this worksheet, kids need to match each of the community helpers with the description of what they do. Here we can see the first picture is of a sweeper, so they need to match it with keep our surroundings clean. Second picture is of a police woman, so they need to match it with maintain law and order in the community. In the third picture, we can see a firefighter, so they need to match it with put out fires and save trapped people. Fourth one is a soldier, so it can be matched with serve the army and protect the country. And the last one is a doctor, so they need to match it with treat the ill and injured people. Now some fill in the blanks question and answers. First one, a dash is defined as a group of people who live in the same area. Answer is community. Question 2, we celebrate Teachers' Day on dash every year. Answer is 5th September. Question number 3, the police officers who manage the traffic on the roads are known as dash. Answer is traffic policemen. Question number 4. Firefighters use various equipment such as dash and water hoses to control fire. Answer is extinguishers. Question number 5. In a community, people dash on each other for different needs and services. Answer is depend. Here, kids need to write whether the statement is true or false. First one, farmers grow food crops such as rice, wheat and maize. Answer is true. Question 2, sweepers help people during natural disasters by saving the affected people. That is false. Question number 3. Firefighters wear a fireproof clothing that guards them against the fire and heat. That is true. Question number 4. Dignity of labor means that every labor or worker deserves equal pay. False. Question number 5. Doctors give us vaccinations against diseases such as common cold and headaches. It is also false. Next question is, what is an FIR and why it is registered? Answer is, an FIR, that is First Information Report, is a written document registered in a police station when important documents and items are misplaced or stolen, or when an accident or any other mishap occurs. Once an FIR is registered, the police begin investigating the case. What is child labor? Why are children hired to work as laborers? Answer is, child labor is the engaging of small children to do an adult's work for money. It deprives children of their childhood, their dignity, and very often harms the child's mental and physical development. And the answer for the second part is, children are hired to work as laborers because they can be exploited more easily. Since they cannot fight back like adults and cannot argue with their employers, they are often paid less or nothing for the services they provide. That's all for now. Thanks for watching Kids A to Z.